What's up, guys? Steve here from Card Breaking Out. We're back. It feels weird. 4 breaks coming up now. We're a little bit rusty, but let's do it. $25, $50, $75, and $100 break. This one is your first one, the $25 mixer. Everybody who purchases a spot also gets an entry into our Zach Parise jersey giveaway. So good luck with that. Good luck with the break. Let's get you a good team. We're live. 901. Jordan to Verno. Anaheim to Winnipeg. Good luck, folks. 1, 2, 3. It's a timestamp. Timestamp on 3. It says at 901. 901 it is. Last and final. Fourth and final timestamp there. 901. And 901 it is. So let's copy them over. New Jersey finished on top of the list. And Tampa Bay at the halfway mark. New Jersey, Tampa Bay, Vancouver to Colorado. There's your teams. Let's match up some names. 902. Again, Jordan to Verno. 1, 2, 3. Timestamp. Third timestamp. 902. 902, and we're on our last and final. Last and final timestamp there, 902 and 902. Sean to Bobby and Daryl to Adam. So here's your teams. We'll post them in the comments. We'll see you in about just under a half hour for this break, guys. Good luck. We'll see you soon.